At EK, our mission has always been to serve our community, our loyal customers, B2B partners, and suppliers with integrity and dedication. However, we must acknowledge that along the way, we made decisions that did not align with that mission. These mistakes have brought us to the challenging position we face today. But I want to reassure you, EK is here to stay. First, we want to emphasize that all our current and former employees have been paid, including all delayed payments. However, we are aware that some external contractors are still waiting for payment, and we remain fully committed to addressing these obligations immediately as we move forward. We want to thank everyone who brought our mistakes to light, from loyal customers to tech influencers who held us accountable. Your feedback has helped us refocus and take action. We hear you, and we're making changes. Today, we are sharing with you how we're moving forward to regain trust and ensure EK continues to deliver the quality you expect. We reached agreements with financial creditors to reprogram our obligations, giving us the space to recover. Key suppliers are supporting us, and we're actively working with others to secure long-term stability.
With secured funding, we're in a position to restart production and improve delivery times. EK has always been known for its renowned support. With our limited team resources, we are currently facing a significant backlog of sales, support, and RMA tickets. We are addressing all of them. We value your patience and commitment, and we are focused on delivering on our promises. To our suppliers, your continued support, even during our most challenging times, has been invaluable. Your trust has been a cornerstone of our survival, and we will honor that trust by fulfilling all our commitments. Even with a smaller team, we remain focused on delivering high-quality products and resolving issues for our customers.
We've taken significant steps to secure EK's future by creating a new entity backed by a strong strategic partner. This structure allows us to maintain operation while honoring past commitments. Our goal is to pay all outstanding obligations and maintain positive operations. We've been working daily to resolve disputes from past years. Most of our suppliers have been understanding and cooperative, and we are grateful for their support as we rebuild.
The recent period has been challenging for our EK family. Many colleagues had to leave, not because they wanted to, but because we couldn't sustain such a large operation. I want to emphasize that these departures were not about performance or talent, but about necessity. As we stabilize, we hope to invite some of these amazing people back if they are open to starting a new chapter with us. In the last 2 months, we were ensured salaries have been paid on time, but the road ahead will still be challenging. We are ready to work hard to recover.
I've always believed in EK, in our products, our team, and our future. With renewed focus, we are ready to launch the innovative products that have been delayed due to the financial constraints. We remain fully committed to gamers, modders, and professional users, and are looking forward to connecting with many of you at the CES 2025. We will stay true to the values that made you choose EK from the start. The path ahead is clear, and with your support, we'll continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible in liquid cooling across all sectors. Thank you for being part of our journey forward.